What's up friends, Amar here, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to talk about this application called FlexClip, which is an all-in-one tool for AI video generation. Today I'm going to focus on only one tool offered by this application, and by the way, these are the tools that are offered by the application. You have the AI video generator, you have the AI auto subtitle, AI text-to-speech, AI translator, AI video script, a record voice, and you have this guy here to record the screen and or the webcam and audio, and this is what we are going to use today. So when you log into your account, this will be your dashboard, the main dashboard, so you can start working with Create with Magic tools. Here you can use any tool of these, or you can start with a template. They have amazing templates for all kinds of videos and formats. You have the landscape format, you have the vertical formats, and you can just start with these templates, customize them to your needs, and make a brand new video. But like I told you earlier, today we are going to focus on this tool here, record screen or webcam. This will actually allow you to record or capture your screen while talking. You record also the audio and your webcam so that you can make tutorials or any other kind of videos that will require you to capture your screen and record the voice. And the cool thing with the FlexClip is that after you record your screen, voice, and webcam, it offers you a very powerful video editor where you can do lots of things on your video. You can integrate subtitles, you can add many objects, many layers to your videos and customize them to have them become more professional and more attractive. Now when you want to start recording your screen and you are ready with your tutorial, you just click on this button here and a new tab will open, and of course you will choose one of these options here, screen plus webcam, screen only, or webcam only. So let's grab this one here, screen and webcam, and then click on next step. Now my microphone is already connected, and as you can see, this is my camera, this is my face here, I'm talking, and when I'm ready to start recording, I have to click on this orange button, start recording. Now I have to choose which Chrome tab or which window or the whole screen if I want. Let's say for example the whole screen like this, everything on my screen will be recorded. And now what I want to do is I want to share also the system audio. As you can see here, I have to tick this one. Now it is just preparing the screen to be recorded, and as soon as this button here becomes blue, you will have to start recording. I'm going to click it now, and as you can see, I am recording the screen using FlexClip right now. So I am recording actually with two applications because I had to use another application to make this tutorial. Now let me click on one button here on the very top. It says arrêter le partage, but this is French, and if you want in English it says stop recording. You click this button here and I just stopped recording on FlexClip. So what happens now is that I need to click somewhere right here, and here is the video that I just recorded. Let me play it to you. The screen using FlexClip right now. So I'm recording actually with two applications because I had to use another application. Now I want to click add to library, and as you can see right away, I have my video that I just recorded. You can see this is the layer of my screen and this is the layer of the webcam, and I have it here. I can play with this webcam, put it elsewhere. I can make it bigger, make it smaller, and I can play it here in the editor. The screen using FlexClip right now. So I'm recording And here you have a toolbar with lots of options that you can do. If you want to add a text, for example, to your video, you can just click this tool here and you will, for example, let's choose this template here, and it will go to the video and you can play with that text. You can also generate subtitles for your video. So you have these three options here. You can upload the file or do it manually or ask AI auto subtitles. You click here and then you choose the format of your text. Let's grab, for example, this one. Let's grab this one and then we click generate. So this will go to work and generate all the speech that you were talking during the video, and it will transform it to subtitles that you will have actually the freedom to put them anywhere you want. So where are my subtitles now? Let's click here, and as you can see, it's right here. Let me remove this word here, and then I want to take this, and you can play with the size. Of course, you can put it anywhere you want. You can make the size bigger so it will follow the speech you're saying. So let's click here to play.
Now let me click on one button here on the very top. It says arrêter le partage, but this is French.
So you see, you have the subtitles automatically generated. You can also add video clips if you'd like to, and then you make them as another layer and put some audio on top of them. You can add images as well. You can do a search here about certain type of images you'd like to add to your video. You can add audio. You can add any other elements or shapes to your video. Once you're done editing your video, you want to click on this button here, export, and you can export them as 480p, 720p, 1080p, or 4K. And then you click this button here and it will go to work and produce a nice video that is ready to be uploaded to YouTube or any other video sharing platform. So this is an amazing tool if you want to record your screen and webcam and audio to make tutorials. I wanted to share this with you. If you'd like more information about it, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon.